Welcome to Mealora, a complete business management platform built for Tiffin services, meal subscription businesses, and cloud kitchens. In this walkthrough, we'll explore how Mealora helps you manage customers, subscriptions, deliveries, and business operations from one dashboard.
Let's start by logging into the admin portal. After signing in, you're taken to the dashboard, where you get a real-time overview of your business. Here you can monitor total revenue, active subscriptions, today's deliveries, pending orders, and other key business metrics. Next is the Plans section. Here you can create and manage meal subscription plans, configure pricing, meal schedules, subscription duration, and other plan details based on your business needs. The Subscriptions section lets you monitor all active subscriptions, renewals, and customer activity. In the Customers module, you can add customers, view subscription history, manage contact details, review billing records, and update customer preferences. The Orders section shows all meals scheduled for preparation and delivery. If a customer skips a meal, the request appears in the Skip Requests section, helping you keep daily operations organized. The Deliveries section helps you assign deliveries, track dispatch status, monitor progress, and ensure every order reaches the right customer on time. The Revenue section gives you insights into subscription payments, collections, revenue trends, and overall business performance. In Settings, you can update your business information. The Payments section lets you connect your Razorpay account for online payments, or configure your UPI ID to accept direct UPI payments. Finally, the Account and Security section allows you to update your profile, change your password, and manage secure access to your account. Thank you for taking this tour of the Mealora admin platform.